Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 424 different strategies, with 134 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That wasn't in testing, that was with a live trading account using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 323 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,051 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says this powerful indicator is the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView. And so again, I've said this many times before, it's kind of hard to make that claim if you haven't tested every single indicator on TradingView, which I doubt anybody has at this point. Maybe I've gotten the closest, I'm not really sure, but I've tested a lot of them. And so as far as it being the most powerful or the most accurate and most powerful, just seems a little bit hard to make that claim, but we'll put it to the test and see if this strategy can be profitable. Now, of course, we're not using just a single indicator. Once again, we're using multiple indicators. So again, the claim is a little bit suspicious, I guess I should say. So what we'll do is just go ahead and add the first indicator, which is going to be the adaptive volatility scaled oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll keep it on its default settings. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Frama channel, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, this one will stay on the default settings. And so what we're looking for a long trade, for example, is we're looking for when we get a green arrow like this here and green candles from the Frama channel. I actually turned these on in the wrong order. So this one down here is the adaptive volatility scaled oscillator. This one up here is the Frama channel. And so we get the green candles like this here and the green arrow like this here from the Frama channel indicator. And then we're going to look down to the adaptive volatility scaled oscillator. We'll just call it the volatility indicator here at the bottom, and you can see how we have blue bars to the upside with this bluish background right here. And you can see that there are also these grayish colored bars to the downside here with kind of a grayish background. This means that volatility is really low, and this means that volatility is really high with the blue bars. Now, this doesn't have a direction, it just shows that volatility is high, whether it's in a downtrend or an uptrend. And so in this case, it's an uptrend that we are looking at. And so you can see that we get that blue background with the blue bars and the green candles. That will be our signal to then enter into a long. Now, these candles and this green arrow show up one bar into the future, so it's actually this one right here. You have to close this bar before they show up in the bar behind. And so we have our trade right here, and we're going to put our stop just right below this middle line right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, which will put us right about there. A little bit more than the 1 to 1.5, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and play this forward. And you can see the very next candle, we make a spike up, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for, so we're looking for a blue arrow like this here and blue candles from the from a channel indicator, and then we're going to look down to the volatility indicator, and we want it to have those blue bars like this here with that bluish background. Again, it's just identifying the volatility in the market, and it's not identifying a trend direction. We're using this for the trend direction here. And so that'll be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this middle line here. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we make a nice little steady climb here to the downside. That one gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Now, alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Now, out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600. For an overall gain of $1,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy, but definitely not the most powerful, most accurate indicator on TradingView. I can tell you that much. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 53 trades altogether. We had 41 winning trades and 12 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 77% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $10,200. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate significantly, would have put your total gain closer to the $24,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so just this morning, closed out winning trade number 50. So that's 50 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. Again, that's 50 trades in a row, maintaining the 100% win rate. And so that will most likely close out the 3-month mark now with, again, 100% profitability. And that's using the Academy of Forex indicator with the scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy that I mentioned as well. In backtesting, this combination was so powerful it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord to look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in doing. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list because it was able to maintain a little bit of profitability. And we'll move on to the next video from here.